And today we're going to be building the NASA Apollo Saturn V rocket 3D puzzle by Cubic Fun. They did send me this to build and show to you guys, so that's exactly what we're going to do. Now you can see that this is 136 pieces. I'm going to open the box real quick, show you what's inside. Then we're going to do a time lapse of the build, and my son is actually going to be building this for us. And then we're going to come back and take a closer look at the completed model. Alright, so here's an up close look at the front of the box. You can see it's for ages 8 and older, 136 pieces. You do build it in 3 separate capsules, and it requires no gluing and no tools. And this is how it comes. You get this little punch tool right here. This is for punching out your holes as you're removing your pieces from the panels. You're going to get your instruction booklet, and you can see it does give you step-by-step instructions. And this is a fairly small manual. It's only 14 pages long, front and back. And then this is your actual puzzle pieces themselves. In my experience with these are pretty easy to build as long as you follow the instructions. The instructions seem intimidating, but once you actually get started, everything makes sense. And you will probably spend more time using this tool, punching out all these little individual tabs and holes, than actually building. But the result is a very, very nice model. So let's go ahead. We're going to go to the puzzle table. We're going to start building this, and then we're going to take a look at the final result. And here it is. Check out the rocket. How cool is this? The Apollo 11 Saturn V. You can see they have a small description right there. On this side, you can actually see the lunar module with the descent and ascent modules inside a cutout of the rocket. You can see you have your boosters. You have your launch pad holding the rocket in place. It does break down into 3 different stages. You have the main first stage, second stage, and then third stage up top. You can break them off, as you can see. Here's the final stage. And if we pull this apart, you can see the second stage. Very cool. And then you have the main booster, or the first stage. Very, very cool. So if you're into 3D puzzles, you like NASA and the Apollo 11 Saturn V rocket, this would be a great puzzle for you. You can build it with your kids and use it as an opportunity to educate them on space travel and the space program. The model is very detailed, has all the panels, markings, decals, flags, ladders, and everything on it. And it's a really fun little project. My son Carter, who is 14, built this on his own in just a couple hours, so it wasn't too difficult, and we are quite happy with the result. I hope this video helps, and thanks for watching.